In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of HP DeskJet 2842e all-in-one printer. First step is to switch on the printer and then open the front chamber. So this is the paper output tray and there is an ink chamber behind it. Open this door, so push it out and wait for the ink cartridges to move and come into the middle. Now we have to remove the ink cartridges. Press it down and then take it out from both sides. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Install them one by one. This printer uses ink cartridge 67. Place it here and push it in and hold the printer with the other hand. You will hear a lock sound. That means it is installed properly. Close this door. If the ink cartridges are showing up there, that means we have installed it successfully. This way we can replace the ink cartridge in this printer. Thanks for watching.